how to reset Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot if its reset button is not working. Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, that how we can easily reset if its reset button is not working. Many times it happens that its reset button is not working, and then we think that how we can easily reset this device. First of all, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. First of all, we're gonna talk about that why we should reset Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot dongle if it's working properly. Then one thing, if your Wi-Fi password is separated everywhere, you should reset this. If its internet is not working properly, you should reset this. If it's keep on automatically restart or any kind of problem, do reset it. Or if it's continuously battery just automatically get removed, just reset this device. Then how you can do, first of all, I'm requesting you that you connect this via Wi-Fi to your mobile phone, laptop, computer, and wherever you want to reset. But if you don't know the real Wi-Fi password, then what we can do, we need a cable, connect into it, and after that connect on your laptop or computer. Then just go to 192.168.43.1 and press the enter. That then it will ask you about the Wi-Fi password. Ask you about the admin password. Then you have to choose admin by default if you haven't changed anything. In capitals, in small letters, just type admin in the username, admin in the password, enter. After that you will see a option called factory reset, your reset factory. Click on that, and after that it will ask you about that you really want to reset. Press OK, and voila, your device has been reset now. After that, just remove this battery from over here, and after that you will find a sticker over there, and you have to you will find the Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi name. You have to just connect onto your laptop or computer and do whatever you want to do. You want to change the password, change. If you like this video about this Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.